In this problem, our job is to show that in an undirected graph, the number of vertices of odd degree must be even. So we will start by noting that in an undirected graph, if we add up the degrees of all the vertices, we want to go to each vertex, find its degree, then we want to add all of those up. What is the result? Well, that counts each edge twice. So how can we get a formula out of that observation? So let's write that in the following way. We add up the degrees of all the vertices. We count each edge twice. So another way to say that